In the realm of architectural ingenuity, Vértigo House by Najas Arquitectos stands as a testament to the transformative power of design when faced with physical constraints. This exceptional project is a fusion of site-specific brilliance and the client's bold vision, turning a seemingly unusable steep slope into a residence that defies gravity. Through thoughtful planning and structural innovation, Vértigo House emerges as a harmonious blend of form and function, perched on a 60% sloped site with panoramic views of the surrounding forest. The first chapter of the design narrative unfolds with the challenge of accommodating a young family with 2 children on a site characterized by its steep incline. The architectural puzzle required addressing vehicle access to the main floor while strategically situating essential spaces on the first 2 floors. The third and lowest floor, intimately connected to the ravine, becomes a haven with a pool that overlooks the lush natural surroundings. The audacious decision to invest in this challenging parcel showcases a commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining what is possible in residential architecture. One of the remarkable features of Vértigo House is the integration of a small soccer field at the base of the site, located 12 meters below the main floor. This added layer of functionality demonstrates a holistic approach to design, transforming a potential limitation into an opportunity for recreation and outdoor activity, seamlessly blending nature and lifestyle. The intervention on the site's landscape is not merely structural, but becomes a sculptural dance with the natural topography, reinforcing the land to accommodate the weight and presence of the house. The result is an architectural marvel that seemingly hovers above the slope, elegantly adapting to the contours of the land while maximizing the available space. Internally, Vértigo House is a celebration of uninterrupted views and a communion with nature. The architecture strategically places balconies that offer panoramic vistas, creating a unique sense of privacy and lightness. The design ensures that every corner of the residence becomes a vantage point, allowing residents to bask in the beauty of the surrounding landscape. These carefully curated spaces become sanctuaries, blurring the boundaries between the built environment and the natural world, balancing the functional needs of a contemporary family with the demands of a challenging site. Vértigo House transcends the ordinary and becomes a dialogue between architecture and nature. The interplay of light, form, and landscape elevates the living experience, turning everyday moments into extraordinary encounters with the environment. In the grand tapestry of architectural achievements, Vértigo House is a remarkable thread, a manifestation of creativity and innovation in the face of adversity. It challenges conventional notions of what a home can be and inspires us to rethink the possibilities hidden within the constraints of the landscape. Vértigo House invites us to embrace the vertiginous thrill of pushing boundaries, proving that, with visionary design, even the steepest slopes can become the foundation for a residence that defies gravity and captures the essence of its surroundings.